I am greatly privileged to extend my warmest greetings to the faculties of Arts and Science of the University of Colombo for reaching the centenary mark on the 21st of January 2021. This is an important milestone. We can reflect on the past in terms of personnel, principles, processes, purpose, and the quality of education and scholarship. I take this opportunity to pay tribute to the erudite group of Lankan visionaries who since the late 19th century firmly believed that a homegrown, home-based higher education is important. Their advocacy bore fruit to help ensure the production of successive generations of capable teachers, professionals in the arts and sciences. We pay homage to these visionaries for their dedication towards establishing our university with diligence and commitment. It is noteworthy that the inaugural council of the Ceylon University College was presided over by His Excellency the then Governor General of the island, along with the Honorable Chief Justice, the lead administrators in the fields of health, education and agriculture. It is also noteworthy that the father of free education, Honorable Dr. C.W.W. Kannangara, also served on our University Council a decade later. Over the past 100 years, the plans of our visionaries has yielded substantial dividends. Our university has remained the jewel in the crown of our university higher educational landscape well into the 21st century. These two epic faculties have blossomed into many erudite fields of study in relation to developing newer faculties, institutions, a pioneering school of computing, and also remains the sole metropolitan city-based university. The faculties of Science and Arts alone do currently offer more than 40 undergraduate honors programs and many postgraduate study courses, and they are widely pursued, highly acclaimed worldwide. The research ethos established has become multifaceted and world-class with exceptional outputs and outcomes. The basic foundation for research established over the previous decades has helped pave the way to upscale our international outreach and to encourage multidisciplinary research with an emphasis on technology transfer and commercialization. I congratulate the successive deans, administrators, professors, heads of departments, research leads, and most particularly the students, that both the mother faculties have blossomed into vibrant scholarly environments and for sustaining best practices. The alumni of our university are a star-studded galaxy ranging from head of state, policymakers, corporate leaders, and creative artists, to mention a few, not only locally, regionally, and internationally as lead players. It is serendipitous that the incumbent Honorable Minister of Education is our former Vice Chancellor and Dean of Law. The multitude of alumni groups located in Sri Lanka and overseas have remained stoic in safeguarding our university and supporting our students on a continuous basis. All these factors have contributed to the University of Colombo remaining #1 in recent international rankings based on data, visibility, and our productions that have helped society, no doubt in national policy development and reformation. May the University of Colombo grow from strength to strength in the centuries ahead. Thank you.